In front of me is OPPO Reno8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Firstly, go into settings, then scroll down, choose password and security over here, tap on lock screen password, wait 5 seconds and choose continue in this pop-up. Now tap on the best login method for you. I will go with pattern. Oh, so sorry, that was a misclick. And over here you can always click use a different password type and select one of those options if you wish to switch. If you don't, you can enter your login method, repeat it, and tap on add in this pop-up if you wish to add your fingerprint right away. I don't want to, so I will go with cancel, click on home button, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, as you can see pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!